I was telling a buddy of mine yesterday, like you should already have your financial freedom fund set up if you're running your company. Problem is, like most guys, most business owners and stuff, they don't have a financial freedom fund. So they'll be like, "Hey, look, we already know, like out of my business, you're getting what, like 20%, out of your gross. That's what you get to keep." Rather than focus on, hey, look, I'm going to set a financial target to raise the top line of my business. And out of the 20, 30% that I keep, because now that's bigger, I'm going to take a portion of that and I'm going to make an investment in, let's say, Bell Capital. I'm going to push money over to Bell Capital. I'm going to do my own real estate deals, whatever. But you need to set yourself up to whereas, I mean, let's face it, athletes, if you're an athlete, you can't play ball, punch, kick, fight, all that other stuff. You watch the UFC this weekend, you watch Conor blow his knee out. He's been out for a while. At some point, man, you can't punch, kick, fight, jump, slam, swim, catch balls. You can't do all that stuff forever. Eventually, the music stops and you got to take a look at what you did. Did you do enough while you were running your company to make an investment? And you can't do that if you don't plan for it. You need to plan to have extra revenue to invest. It's not just going to happen, right? So think about that. Take a look at your own business. Number one, you need to focus on marketing, selling. You need to focus on getting out there. There's high competition in the market right now between AI, people coming in. If you're in the financial space, you're competing against, oil prices going up, oil prices coming down, the war, Bitcoin going up, Bitcoin going down now, interest rates staying strong for long, new Fed. Like there's a lot of shit happening that you got to take advantage of the opportunity. Focus on your company, focus on your getting more people, focus on getting more revenue, set bigger targets, and then take a portion of the money that you're making from this big revenue target you hit, set it off to the side so you can make investments that last and outlast your company and your business. Most people ain't doing that. And if you don't do that, I can tell you when the music stops and it's time to exit your business, if you can exit or it just shuts down, you want to at least have something that you've set aside on purpose for you and your family and have those investments and that money working harder for you than you did to make it. All right. That's what I was telling him. So I hope that helps you guys today. But again, you need to have a plan. Like if you don't plan, it's kind of like planning to fail. Set big revenue targets for your company, expand, grow, push really hard, set some exit target for your business as well, and then take that extra revenue, plan for it, and make an investment. Like hit me up. You can go to bell-capital.com. We love to talk to you. You can invest with us. We have an open fund. If you have a minimum of, if you can invest at least 200 grand, we love to help you do that in our open fund that we currently have. And if not, do your own research. But the fact is you have to have something set up for you and your family long term in the future. Use your business. Business is a vehicle. Let it get you where you want to go. All right. Have a great day today. Go to bell-capital.com or leave me a comment. What do you think? Do you have a financial freedom fund set up for you and your family that you are using your business as a vehicle to fill it to get you to the next game? Got to have it. Let me know. Let me know how we can help. Let's talk soon. Boom.